This running notes, it will be helpful for you. Yesterday we already done a topic. The topic name is called as a operators. Am I right? Now today the next continuation topic name is called as a Chaptara input and output. What is the topic name, sir? Input and output. Be clear, you should know the name of the topics like a index. That's what the main motto for our starting session will be. Currently, what is the running topic? What is the upcoming topic? These are all you should aware, especially like a today is what exactly, sir? Saturday. How you know today is a Saturday? Today running topic you should, you in the sense everyone. I'm not pointing anyone. You guys need to aware actually. Let's open this. Such an interesting topic today. This we already done previously. Now, this one is a running topic. Upcoming topic, did you remember? Flow control. What is that one, sir? Flow control. We'll see. This is about simple snap, but let me just try to walk through the index actually. Yeah, good. This one is a running topic, Daniel. Just yesterday we have covered operators topic actually. When you're talking about the operator, the last 3 operators are important. Very, very important, and practically also we have seen. First one is a relational operator. Next one, logical operator. Next one, membership operator. Good. Beautiful topic actually. Let's open this. I'm sure this running notes helps you to catch the session where we are exactly. Let's click on material, click on Python. Please follow our material thoroughly. Sorry. Yeah, the first one will be input and output, sir. What is the topic name? Input and output. Get ready to understand. Daniel, what is this input and output actually? Being a data scientist or else being a programmer, what we are doing, we are going to write a program. Chappan, we are going to write what exactly, sir? Program. For that program, definitely input is required. What is required actually? Input required, then we'll get output. We'll get what exactly mean? Output. Get ready. The data given to the program is called as a input. Chaptarandru. The data given to a program, that is called as a input. Once you have given the data to the program, then get ready, we'll get an output. We'll get what exactly mean? Output. As simple as that. One point here you need to be understand. The point will be, by this time you should know variable creation. How to create a variable you should know actually. Create a variable. Create what exactly? Variable. I'm sure you already know the syntax actually. The syntax is a LHS equals to what exactly you know boss? RHS. Cheptarandru? LHS equals to RHS. I mean to say, Daniel, left hand side what you're defining, that is completely equals to what exactly? Right hand side. Let me create one variable. The variable will be a equals to 10. The very well known variable you already know actually. Cheppandi, am I right? Good. So here, left hand side, what you are creating, that is called as a variable. Right hand side, what you are creating, that is called as a value. Now, please hold on. This is really interesting actually. The value where you are keeping, this value we can create in 2 ways. Okay, this value we can create. I mean, we can create in 2 ways. Okay, Daniel, what do you mean by that? I mean to say, variable equals to, here you need to provide what exactly? Value. That value, first one you can create a static value. What is that one, sir? Static value. Second one will be, Chappan, yeah, very good. What is that value? Dynamic value. Dynamic value. If you are creating a static value, that is called as a hard coding. What exactly mean? Hard coding means nothing but a fixing. What exactly, sir? Fixing the value. Fixing the value. Fixing the value. I would like to repeat one more time. So left hand side variable, right hand side value. Here this value, get ready, you can create a 2 ways. I mean the value, based on the value how you are creating, you need to call in a different syntax actually. The first one is, it is called as a static value. The second one, it is called as a dynamic value. I will show you very clearly. This dynamic we also call as a taking value at runtime. Cheptarandru, taking value at runtime. Taking value at what exactly? Runtime. Let me show you the first syntax, boss. Daniel, what do you mean by that? Static value. What do you mean by static value? This is, we already know actually, a equals to 10 and print of a. Yeah, this one is called as a static. Means we are fixing the value. We are fixing what exactly, sir? Value. Value never be changed. You try to run one time example. Output you will get a 10. Second time, 10. Third time, 10. 40th time, what is the output? 10 only. Here you are fixing the value. If you are fixing the value for a fixed range, that is called as a hard coding. What exactly mean? Hard coding. In real time application, both scenarios are important. Taking value at static is important. Taking value at what exactly? Dynamically also important. You know about the Google, right? Google company. Let's open Google company. Google website actually. And here you can see, click on this one. Yeah, this total website having two types of values. One is a static value, next one is a dynamic value. What is a static, you know? Sir, this Google image is a fixed for everyone. Am I right or not, sir? That is a static. That is fixed actually. Even this button is a fixed for everyone. Even this, click on this kind of some text is a fixed actually. These are all static value. What values actually? Static value. Static value. Take any website. Static values are very common actually. What is the next one? Next one is, sir, dynamic value. Chappalandru, what is the next one? I mean to say, in a Python programming, get ready. You can create a values in two ways, boss. How many ways actually? Two ways. First one is a static value. Second one is a dynamic value. What do you mean by dynamic? Taking a value at runtime. Come on, spell out. Taking a value at runtime dynamically. That is called as a taking value at dynamically actually. I would like to show you that one. Dynamic values. Daniel, what do you mean by that? I mean to say, we are running a program. The moment when you're running the program py, yes boss, demo1.py, py demo1.py, the program supposed to ask a question. The program supposed to ask enter value. Please enter value. Please enter value. And you have to enter a value. Then I wanted to print what value you entered actually. What value? What exactly? Yeah. Here the moment when you are running the program previously, automatically you are getting output. What is output, sir? 10. By default వచ్చేస్తుంది 10 actually. But here it is asking, please enter the value. This is called as a taking value at runtime. Come on. Taking value at runtime. One more time. Taking value at runtime. Now let me tell you. We can take value at runtime. We can take value at runtime by using, there is a one predefined function. Predefined function name is a input function. What function, sir? Input function. Conclusion of the story. Input is a predefined function. Cheptarandru. Input is a predefined function. Sir, by using that, madam, by using that, we can take a value at runtime. We can take a value at what exactly? Runtime. Let me show you that. It's a very simple. I would like to run this example. I would like to run this example. Come on, please. Such an interesting topic. Please be focused actually. I have reduced it, don't worry. A equals to 10. Can you tell me I have created a variable, but on which way I have created a variable? Static. Good. Very good. You guys understand actually. Let me save this example. Click on coding. Minimize this one. Open coding folder. Open coding folder. Click on here. You are typing as a CMD. Now let me run this example. Please make a note on this one. Yeah, you got an output actually. Successful. Let me run one more time. No change. Let me run one more time. No change. Let me ask you, how many times I run program, sir? 3 times. What is the 3 times output actually? 10, 10, 10. Now I wanted to take a value at runtime, Daniel. I wanted to take a value at what exactly? Runtime. Right hand side value, delete that one. Here you need to write a function. That function name is a input function. What function? Nice. I'm sure you got a clear picture. Input of parenthesis. Here you need to provide. Please enter value. Please enter what exactly? Value. Wow. Such a beautiful example actually. Please enter a value. Please enter a value. Yeah, good. Now let me run this example, sir. Let me look at my screen. We are running this example. Wow. Did you notice? Previously, value printed directly. Because of you have written input function, it is what it is asking, sir. Please enter value. And cursor is blinking. Cursor is what exactly? Blinking. Let me enter the value. The value, I'm entering. I would like to say 26. The moment when you enter this value, what exactly happen, you know, boss? The moment when you enter this value, this 26 value, it will be assigned with a variable. What variable actually? A variable. Here onwards, where are all you are printing A, can you tell me what value you are going to get actually? 20. Very good. You catch my point actually. That function is capturing the value and assigning to the variable. Now here onwards, where are all you are printing A, 26, it will be getting printing actually. I have one small question. Can I ask actually? Chapan sir, can I ask? How many functions we are using here actually? Two functions. First one is a input. Next one, print. Input is a predefined function. Let me tell you, every function has its role and responsibility. Print function, display the output. Type function, checking the data type. Am I right? Range function, to get the range of values, boss. Sir, input function. Madam, what function? Input function. Tell me the purpose of input function will be, we can take value at runtime. We can take value at what exactly? Runtime. Good, hold on. Such a nice example. Let me just try to write here. One by one I can cover actually. Let me open the material. You will get even an idea. Chappan sir. A equals to 10. Okay. Very good, sir. Then in this scenario, what? Very good question. I would like to say, please enter the value. Please enter what exactly? Value. And column symbol. Yeah, good. Now here you can just try to print what exactly, you know, print of B. Print of what exactly? B. Very good. One value you are taking static value, another value you are taking what exactly? Dynamic value. Very good. Let me run this example. Good. It is asking. I mean to say, one by one. First line it is executed actually, and the 10 value it is stored automatically. Second line, here we are actually, let me enter value is the 20. The moment when you enter into the 20, can you tell me B value is how much actually, sir? 20. Now A is a 10, B is a 20. That's it actually. Good. No, sir. I mean, where print statement is available, from that it will start printing actually. Exactly. You catch my point. If you are keeping this point will be here actually, it will print, sir. It will print. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Nice question. Any question you can ask me. I respect. I mean, I respect the question very well. Please don't skip your questions actually. What I'm planning to explain. Yeah, let's open material. I have given a small quick introduction. It's the right time. Open here. Indirectly, Google, directly, not indirectly, Google company is using taking value at runtime. See, that search box, it is cursor is blinking. What is blinking? Means backend they applied input function. Backend they applied what exactly? Input function. That's what it is taking value at runtime. Yeah, here I can type what is Python, runtime it is giving, and even you can type, you know, what is a Java. These are all things actually. Okay, yeah, good, very nice, very nice. Yeah. So till now, we have executed all examples by hard coding values to the variable. In this chapter, we will learn how to take values at what exactly mean? Runtime. Yeah, a is equals to 16, print of yes. Based on requirement, we can take values at runtime or dynamically. Steam. Taking values at runtime, it is also called as a taking values dynamically. What exactly mean? Dynamically, right? Now please enter the value. You know, we are asking, please enter the value. We are printing. Entered value is a 16. If you are trying to printing that value, you can just try to add one message also. Do you want to add like that actually? Come on, student. Equals to input function, and please enter a value. Please enter value, column symbol. Offline team, listen carefully. Now print, instead of directly printing A, here double quote comma, entered value is, what is that one, sir? Entered value is. Okay, now get ready. I would like to run this example. You will get an idea. Yeah, very good. Now let me enter 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 it is taking and it is captured, and entered value is a 1, 2, 3. Entered value is what exactly? 1, 2, 3. Good. Now let me hold the session. Learning data science means every point you should understand from program. Chappani, from program. Sorry for saying I won't like theory. I like example very well. Why? Because you know, If you understand the example, you yourself create a new point actually. You yourself create what exactly? New point. Are you with me or not, sir? So please focus. Please be focused on example. Please be focused on what exactly? Example very well actually. Okay, nice. I like examples very well. Sir, can somebody tell me what is this? Input function. Can we add into the functions list actually? Come on, go back. Very good. I can just try to come here. I hope by this time you already know 3 functions actually. తెలుసు కదా? Boss చెప్పండి మేడం చెప్పండి. First one is a print. Next one type. Next one range. Yeah. Input function parameter required to take value at runtime. To take value at what exactly? Runtime. Also called as a dynamically. I wanted to take value at dynamically. I wanted to take value to what exactly? Dynamically. Yes, sir. We can take actually. These are all possible. Print, type, range, input. I wanted to hear from your sweet voice actually. Come on. One more time. Print, type, range. Nice. Melodious actually. Let's continue. Interview question. During interview, they will ask actually simple. They will ask about, explain about input function. Explain about what exactly? Input function. Get ready 4 points you need to deliver. Here we are going to spend next to 20 minutes actually. How long time, sir? That much important. It's not like a 1 or 2 minutes actually. 20 minutes we are going to spend actually. Are you ready? Let me show you. Online team, I hope you are clear, I guess. Can I continue? Respond boss. Seems to be today very less students actually. Any festival today? Oh, very good. Yeah, might be weekend, I guess, actually. People are celebrating weekend. Very good. Let's move on. Fine. Can you tell me what is the topic name? Input function. What exactly? Input function. Get ready. Get ready. I would like to explain about this one. Let's move on. Regarding input function, first point, we already know the point will be input is a predefined function. Cheptarandru, input is a predefined function. Input is what exactly? It's a predefined function. Is a predefined function. Very good, Daniel. The next point, hold on. This function accept input from the keyboard. See, have you seen here actually? The moment whenever you are running this example, what it is doing, that input function is connected with your keyboard actually. It is asking, boss, enter a value. Enter what exactly? I mean to say input function is accepting value from the keyboard. Keyboard or keyboard, sir? Please, keyboard actually. Did you understand? Good. Let me repeat the point one more time. This function accept input from what exactly? Keyboard. Very nice. Point number 1. This function accepts values. Yeah. Anything. Any input or value, anything. Input from keyboard. From what exactly, sir? Keyboard is coming for me. Good. Man, third point is important. As I told you, 20 minutes we are going to spend, right? Because of this point only. Such a nice point actually. The third point will be, I wanted to hear from you. This function takes a value, okay, from keyboard. Very good. And returns it is what exactly? String data type. What data type? This point is very, very important, sir. So please focus on this one. There are a lot of things we are going to cover here actually. Sir, whenever you are calling input function, input function, it is connecting with the keyboard. I have entered a value. The value will be some 10, 20 or 30, something like that actually. The moment when you entered a value, always that value, it is considering backend like what exactly, string type. Chapman, string type. Let me prove this point practically. You will get an idea. Okay, good. I mean, this is first let me write here. This function, I know this function takes value and and gives the return type as a return type as a otherwise this function returns string data type. Simple. I like very shortcuts actually. This function returns string data type value. String data type what exactly? Value. Let me prove this one practically. Let us just try to prove. Let's prove this one actually. Let's prove this one. There are few points you need to be clear here actually. Get ready, man. Everyone, please get ready actually. Okay. First example, please understand. A equals to, we are writing here input function, enter a value. Enter value actually. Enter what exactly? Value. And here, let me just try to print A. And at the same time, I wanted to check the data type. How to check the data type? Nice. Print of what exactly? Type. Very good. Then let me ask one beautiful question actually. How many functions we are using here? 3. Very good. First one, input. Next one, print. Next one. Every function has its own separate role actually. Don't think like, type. You can stop your work, print will do. No, no, no. Print is separate work actually. Type is what exactly? Separate. The purpose for type is checking the data type. Purpose for print is print the output actually. Purpose for input is take value at runtime. You should have an idea. You should have an idea. Why Daniel have written input actually? Sir, I wanted to take value at runtime. Why we are using print actually? I wanted to display the value. Why we are calling the type actually? Checking the data type. Checking what exactly? Why I'm checking the data type? Why? Because just previously I told, if you are calling input function, it always return result as a string data type. What data type? Let me show you practically. Yeah, good. Let us enter value. The value is a Daniel. The value is what exactly? Daniel. Let us have a small discussion here actually. The discussion will be, can you tell me what is the value I'm entering? Daniel. Group of characters. Can I say that? Yeah, group. What is the expected data type? Cheppandi. Very good. Hold on here actually. Now Daniel, you are entering Daniel. It's okay. And here the original data type is what exactly? No. Can I write like this? It will be very really interesting for you. Original. Daniel, the original expected data type. Original data type actually. Original data type is, we are expecting string. We are expecting what exactly? Str. No doubt at all. Here we are getting what exactly? Here we are getting what we are getting also. Let us make a note here. Are you ready? Can I press enter button? Yes. Ayyo, sir. Did I save this example? Let me run this example. Daniel. Yeah, very good. Come and look at my screen. Previous program I run. Yeah, Daniel you have entered. You are printing Daniel. What is the data type, sir? Chappandi? No surprise here. No surprise here actually. Now let me enter 10 value. Let me enter what exactly? 10 value. What is the original data type for 10? Very good. This table helps actually. Now what we are going to get, Chappandi? That is surprise for us actually. Let me run the example. Let me run example. Now I'm entering 10 value actually. We already know from last 2 days onwards I'm telling a number without a decimal, that is called as what exactly? Integer. But here it is telling 10 is string actually. 10 is what exactly? String. Now 10 is string. This Python is not telling. Who is telling? Input function. What is telling actually? Input function. Hold on. Surprise number 1. Daniel, literally I surprised actually. We are getting str. This is seriously surprise actually. Otherwise surprise symbol is this one, right? Yeah, good. Now let us enter 1.23 value. What is expected value? Float. And what you are going to get? Now read this statement actually, you will get a clear picture. What is the statement? This function returns string data type. One word I wanted to add actually. This function always return. What exactly, sir? Always return. Always. No matter what. Either you can enter string data type, integer value, float value. Boss, you can enter some other value. The return data type is what exactly? No, string only. What is the data type? I will tell you the reason. I will tell you the reason why it is only string actually. Even I can explain, these are all stuff actually. Okay. Get ready to understand. These are all points actually. Now I am sure this point you got a clear picture actually. Let's move on with the discussion. Yeah, good. Now, come on, please make a note on this one. What we can do, based on requirement, come on, let me give one more time conclusion. The conclusion will be, here I have entered a Daniel and even I have entered integer value. Now I would like to enter one more value. The value will be floating value. What value, sir? 1.23. What is expected data type actually? Float. But what we are going to get, string. So I hope even I have added this one into the running nodes actually. Very good. Now, Daniel, can you tell me what is the reason actually? Yeah, it's the right time I need to tell the reason. Please tell me the reason. This is really more interesting point actually. Now, please make a note. Please make a note. What exactly happened here, input, if you are using input predefined function, here what value you are entering, sir? Daniel. What input predefined function will do, you know? Back end, think like this one is a first point you need to understand actually. Automatically double quotes it will be create. What it will create, sir? Double quote. The value what you entered, let me take this one, it can keeps inside of this one actually. Now according to my result, what is it? What is output, sir? String. First scenario it is okay. Next scenario, and it should be what exactly? What is the function, sir? Cheppandi. Input of enter value. Let me show you the second scenario. Enter enter value. Enter what exactly? Value. I wanted to confirm second time also. Good. Let me enter 10 value. The moment when you are entering 10 value, as I told you, input function by default backend it will create a double quote actually. Can you tell me what is the value it will be getting adding? 10. In between double quote, you give me any value. You can try to give any value. The data type is what exactly, boss? Exactly. You catch my point actually. Oh, please make a note on this one. That's why you are getting string data type. That's why you're getting what exactly? String data. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. But Daniel, it's okay. We understand because backend it is having written actually. It is having what exactly written. Now conclusion of the story. Imagine I can understand the input nature is what exactly it is giving a string data type actually. So suddenly imagine my son came, my son junior Daniel, and he is asking, dear dad, and this is a number without a decimal, I am expecting integer, but we are getting what exactly? String. See, let me tell you, if it is representing like a string actually, listen carefully, this point is important. If it is representing like a string actually, you cannot apply arithmetic operation over this one. Did you understand or not, sir? That point is important actually. If 10 consider like a string, you should not apply plus operation. Just as of now, let me talk about the plus operation. That is called as the arithmetic operation. Also called as the aggregate operation. What operation? Aggregate operation. Then, if you wanted to apply some arithmetic operation, what we need to do, you know? First of all, 10 we are getting as a we know integer. We are getting here as a string actually. We are getting here as what exactly? String. Please convert into what exactly, you know? Integer. Then apply operator. Apply what exactly? Math actually. Apply what exactly? Math. Did you understand or not, sir? Still I can prove one practical example. I'm sure you will enjoy actually. I'm explaining one more time. First of all, 10. 10 is what? 10 is a number. We are getting what exactly, man? String. Now, if it is a string, over the string, you cannot apply plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. If you are applying, you will get an error. If you are applying, you will get what exactly? Error. But for this 10, I wanted to add some 2 value Daniel actually. As of now, you cannot apply. Why? Because what is the data type it is representing actually? String. Then if you really wanted to apply, what we need to do? Convert into what exactly? Integer. Yes. Convert string data type into integer data type. Come and tell me. Converting string data type into integer data type. It is called as a typecasting. Cheptarandaru? Typecasting. One more time. Typecasting. What do you mean by typecasting? You know, converting from one data type into another data type is called as a typecasting. Come on, one more time. Converting from one data type into another data type is called as a typecasting. Typecasting. Okay. Convert. Daniel, I wanted to add plus 2. Sorry, we'll get an error. We'll get what exactly? Error. But I need it actually. But I want. Then do one thing. Convert string to integer. Then apply. Then what exactly? Apply. I will show you practically. Please be patient. See. Without, first of all, for every point I have a program. I should execute program. Then only you have to trust and you have to believe actually. Can I continue, sir? Good. Now, did anyone call actually? Good, let's continue. We'll do one thing, man. We'll do one thing. What is the point I'm going to explain, you know? Please make a note. A equals to, within double quotes, imagine, within double quotes, some 10 value would you have. And B equals to, within double quotes, some 20 value would you have. Now let's just try to apply here actually. Sir, you know what? If no double quote actually, if no double quote, what exactly, sir? No double quote actually. And if you want, you can apply arithmetic operator. What you can apply? Very good. Arithmetic operator you can apply. What is the result? Chappan, sir. Beautiful example. Yeah, you will get an idea. But listen carefully. Let's add double quote. Here is a problem. Add double quote actually. What happened, sir? If you are applying plus operator in between the string, if you are applying plus operator in between the string actually, instead of arithmetic operator, it can apply concatenation operation. What operation? Concatenation. Concatenation means what exactly? You will get the value 10, 20 like that actually. You will get what exactly? 10, 20. Expected result how much is, sir? Manu enta expect chesam result actually 30. But what result we are getting? 10, 20. Do you think it is valid actually? Invalid. It is misleading us. What happened actually? Misleading us. Conclusion of the story, the point will be string values plus operator plus operator plus operator concatenates. What exactly mean? Or else joins two strings. Joins what exactly? Two string value. What exactly, sir? Two string value. Come on, Chodhan Andru. Plus operator, right? Please don't consider spelling mistake. Come on, read one more time. Plus operator joins two string value. Exactly. It is joining actually. We are getting the, what is the result actually? And here we are getting the result will be, Chappan sir, 1020 instead of what exactly? Instead of 30. Now let me show you, this is really problem. This is really what exactly? Problem. Where it is a problem, let me explain actually. Where it is a problem, let me explain. Till now, are you clear? Everybody, I need a response. Are you clear till now? You good. Thank you for rotating your head actually. Let's move on. Let me show you one real-time example. Daniel, it's okay, we understand. You are telling like we need to convert string into what exactly? Integer. Without conversion, what is the problem? Imagine product number 1 and input, enter price. Enter what exactly? Price. First product price. Same thing like that, product number 2. Input of enter price. Now, total bill actually. So to do the total bill, what I need to do? Product 1 plus product 2. Now, so I would like to say, here you have to pay. You have to pay what exactly? Your bill is. Simple. Your bill is. Your what exactly? Bill. Now here total actual. So let me tell you, during weekend, my wife likes shopping very well. So we both went for one shopping actually. We both went for one shopping, and inside of that one, they have created one application. But that application they have created by using input actually. We are running an example. My wife have given 2 items. Arey Daniel, make a billing for these 2 actually. A good first product price will be 311. Just imagine. Don't ask what is that product actually. Not required. Good. Second product price will be 322. Second product price is what exactly, sir? 322. Ultimately, I need to pay bill. Am I right or not, sir? Good. So I'm ready with the credit card. So I'm saying, what is the first product price? 311. Second product price 322. What is expected, sir? Enta pay cheyali? 333. Even I done simple calculation, 333. Get ready. I'm ready to give the card actually. Now, oh my God, how much bill I need to pay, Chappan? Sir, triple one triple. Instead of that one, can you please like a numbers actual? 1,11,000. I looked at my wife actually. Now, point is here the problem is with application. Back end, what exactly happens are here actually. Here the value what you entered, it is storing in a double quote. Even why? Because input return type is what exactly? String data type. What data type? String data type. And even 322 what you entered, it is in between what exactly? Double quote. You are doing plus operator. If you apply plus operator over the string, what happened? Joining the string. What happened actually? Conclusion of the story. If it is not a number, get ready, you will get a surprise result actually. What result actually? Surprise result. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now fine. What we need to do? We need to convert. There is a problem in the application. There is a bug actually. Try to convert, string values into integer value. Apply the operation. Apply what exactly? I'm sure you got a clear picture. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Very good. Take this one. You can kindly please make a note on this one. But if you want here, I can make a note output also. If you want, I can take this output also. Yeah, output to Daniel. This one is output, sir. Very good. Now I'm showing how to convert this one actually. How to convert what exactly? This one. Yeah, get ready. I would like to explain. Equals to input of, equals to what exactly? Input of, enter value, print of A, and even you can check, you can try to check what exactly type of A. A value you are entering, and you are just trying to converting into what exactly? Integer. Let me show you how to convert. Yeah, good. We already know this one. Now, what is the data type, sir? String. Daniel, this I don't want this one is a string, Daniel. Then what we need to do, go to the next line, create one variable. The variable name is a b, equal symbol. Here you need to call a one function. That function name is a int. What is the function name? int. Int is a data type we already know actually. With the data type name of the function also would have int of parenthesis. Take this name of the variable and you can just try to keep it here actually. Successfully what we're doing, we are converting into string data type into integer data type. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, here int is a predefined function. By using int predefined function, you can convert from string value into what exactly? Integer value. I'm sure you got a clear picture. I'm telling this one is the integer data type. What is the confirmation? Cheppani confirmation enti? Very good. What exactly? Type. Come on, let's do that actually. Come on, let's do that. Print. Step by step I'm explaining, sir. Please be focused actually. Be focused during the session. I request you don't sleep. Let us just have to print B actually. Now let me run this one. Wow. Let me run this one. Let me run this. Let me enter 10 value. The moment when you enter 10 value, within the double quotes A is available and we are converting into integer in one shot. This is seriously very good. Seriously very good actually. The value is converted. Now here onwards you can use, if you wanted to use number, you need to use B variable. What variable, sir? B variable. I'm sure you got a clear picture. Am I right or not, sir? Ardhainda? Madam, are you getting? Good. Then can I ask you one question? Even let me count actually. How many functions we are using here actually? I will cry actually. 4 functions. How many function? 4 function. Very good. First function name, input. Next one, int. Next one, print. Next one, type. Let me ask you a question. Purpose of input is take value at runtime. Very good. Purpose of int is perfectly you understand, sir. Thank you for your response. That's what actually. Please be focused actually. I'm sure you will get a clear picture regarding our session actually. Let me take this example. You can make a note on here. No, Daniel, from front end, floating value is coming. I mean, so from front end floating value, but within the double quote actually, I wanted to convert into float data type. Very simple, man. You can just try to take this value, 1.23, 1. What exactly? 23. So here, what function you need to use, chaptara? That's it. That's it actually. Float function we need to use. Okay. Let me run this example. Yeah. 1.23. Yeah. The data type is a float. If you wanted to convert into integer, you have to call a int function. If you wanted to convert into float, you need to call a float function. That's it. For every data type, there is a predefined function in the backend. Learning Python means learn about the function, how it is working. That's the beauty actually. You are learning about the function Python. Learning about the Python means learn about the print, how it is working. Type, how it is working. Length, how it is working. These are all things you should be get a clear picture actually. Clear picture. Okay. Now, can we fix the previous problem? So myself and my wife who went for shopping, right? Are you ready? Can you help me to fix this issue actually? Let us fix this issue, sir. Let us take this example. Okay, good. Now here, A equals to, chaptara, integer of, chappan sir, PROD1. Very good. Next one is a B equals to integer of product 1. Product what exactly? 2. Now here what I wanted to add actually. Very good, man. You got coding actually. Now come on. Yeah. PY, 111 first product price. Second product price, 222. I am ready to with the credit card actually. Tell me the total price. Exactly, sir. Because we fixed the issue. But previously, get ready, a lot of bill actually. Now this what exactly we converted and we are adding actually. Any questions here? Can I continue? Very good. Nice. As I told you, almost we are going to spend more than 15 minutes actually we spent regarding this function. This function. Now hold on. Let us read the point. See, let us read the points. This function take a value from keyboard and returns what exactly? String. Based on requirement, we can convert from string data type into what exactly? Other data type. Yes, we can do that. That is called as a typecasting. That is called as what exactly? Typecasting. Nice. Kindly please, I'm sure every exam it is notable and you can easy to understand. We are taking a name, input, enter a name, and you entered a name as a name actually. Yeah, please make a note, enter a name and Daniel. You entered name as a Daniel. Okay. Next example. There are two values we are taking at runtime. Come on, you can take. No limitation, you can take any number of values. Any number of values. Enter the name Prasad. The name I am entering as a Prasad. The moment when you are running this example, the example it can trigger this line. And though you are using input function, means indirectly you are expecting output at runtime actually. Yes, it is asking enter the name, blinking the screen. You have entered the name actually as a Prasad and at the same time 16. Come on, move on, move on. Good. Now here what we are doing, the example is taking value at runtime. We are printing, checking the data type. Am I right or not, sir? Come on. Taking value at runtime. We are printing, checking the data type. Our document is really very good, sir. Enter the value Daniel. Entered value is a Daniel. What is the data type, sir? String. You have entered value is 1, 2, 3. Entered value is 1, 2, 3. What is the data type? Why tell me? Because of input function. Because of, as we discussed, input function always. That word is important. What is that one, sir? Always. Please make a note. This function always returns what data type actually? String data type. String data type. Good. Even though the original data type I'm expecting float, but here still we are getting what exactly? No, string. We are getting what exactly? String. Nice discussion, man. Really nice discussion. Now, convert from string to integer. We can convert from string value to integer data type, and here we need to use a int predefined function. What function? Int predefined function. This function converts, integer data type into, this function converts from other data type into what exactly? Integer data. See here, I'm fixing the value within the double quote. Daniel equals to within the double quotes 1, 2, 3. That is okay. Let me just try to print that value. Yes, exactly. Here you are getting value 1, 2, 3 actually. And next one will be checking the data type. Yes, here we are getting a string. Daniel, I don't want this one. It should be double quote actually. Then if you wanted to convert into integer, what we need to do? Int function. What we need to do, sir? Int function. Am I right? Good. More to the next example. Yeah, see. Previously, intentionally, I hard coded actually. I mean to say static value. What value? Static value. Now let us take value at runtime. By this time, I hope you already know input function returns the data type always what exactly? String data type. Chappalandaru. String data type. String data type. Then we are converting into integer. We are converting into what exactly? Integer. I'm sorry, you are getting everyone, I guess, actually. Am I right? Good. You are getting, I guess. Convert from string data type into what exactly? Other data type. Now let me take a float value. Let me take what value? Float value. And we are printing. Let me check the data type. So what you are printing actually? Yeah, the value is being getting printing. Checking the data type. String Daniel. I wanted to convert string to what exactly? Float. Call a function. Function name is a float. Call a function. Function name is a float actually. Yeah, we are converting into floating data type. Then finally you can expect the original nature. Original nature for what exactly? Data type actually. Okay, good. Yeah, we are doing here actually, and we are converting float. We are taking value at runtime. Previously I have hard coded the value. If you really understand, now let me explain about one good example. Equals to, let us take a value at runtime. Enter value. Let me print A. Even check the data type of what exactly? No, type of A actually. Type of what exactly? A. You already know this. You know, I guess actually. I want to convert this one into integer. What I need to do? I need your help, please. Good, very good. Separate variable, very nice. Separate variable b equals to. Madam, tell me everyone. Int of what exactly? Yeah, very good. Now let me just try to print b and a type of b. Let me just try to print what exactly b and what exactly type of b. Sorry, it should be b and it should be what exactly b. Come on, very good. Nice response. Very good. You already know. But let me tell you one thing. Can I say one thing? This a means completely right hand side value actually. Am I right? Chappan sir. You are printing this a left hand side value, but left hand side value belongs to what exactly? Right hand side value. Cut this value, paste here. This is still valid example actually. This is still what exactly, sir? Valid example. Valid example. Am I right? This is called as a optimized code actually. What code, sir? Instead of creating a two variables and two predefined functions actually, what we're doing, int of input. Chappan sir, int of input. This is something like we are taking value at runtime. Immediately we are converting actually. Immediately we are converting into what exactly? Integer. Team, are you getting or not, sir? Good. This is possible. Let's continue. Let's run. Let me run 111. Yes, integer. Yes, what exactly? Integer. How many functions we are using? Chappan? 4 function. Chapter first one, int. Next one, input. Next one, print type. One more time, input, print type. Very nice, man. What is the purpose of int actually? Typecasting. It's a typecasting function. What function? Typecasting. Converting from one data type into what exactly? Other data type. Good, good, sir. You guys kindly please walk through these are all examples. Converting floating data type into converting. It's not only string to, yeah, good. Hold on. Daniel, these are all typecasting. It is not only string to, we have converted into integer. It is not only string to, we have converted into float. Yeah, we done these two operations just now actually. Daniel, I have a floating value, Daniel. Can I convert into integer? Sir, it is possible. In Python, no limitation. Anything is possible. From integer to string and string to integer, anything is possible. Anything is possible. Let me show you this example also. You will get an idea. Then what is the meaning of this one actually? What is the meaning of this one? Imagine 20.13. What is the value? 20.13. I'm sure you already know this is the floating value. What value actually? I wanted to convert into integer, Daniel. Right. What do you mean by integer actually? A number without a decimal. Yes, this one is a number without a decimal. We are converting floating value into what value actually, sir? Integer. We can do that. We can do that actually. Come on, let me show you. Equals to 20 point what exactly? 13. Let me check A and even let me check type of A. Let me check what exactly type of A. I need your help at any cost actually. Let me run this example. Yeah, we are getting output will be float, but I wanted to convert it into integer. What I need to do? Separate variable. Chappan sir. Separate variable b equals to yes boss. Tell me. Chappan. I want to convert it into integer. Then what function we need to use? Int function. Good. Yeah. Nice. Float to int. Chappan. Float to int. It looks like small example, but it's not a small example. Don't understand. First point. The problem with the learners will be, I'm sorry, even I was a learner once upon a time. The problem with the learners will be, learner will think, this we already know actually. No. Don't underestimate the code actually. Every piece of the line you should be master. Why we have written. And one more point. Until you type the code, you cannot understand, sir. I'm repeating one more time. Generally, the student psychology will be, anyway, the document is, every point is nicely documented. Let me walk through the document. You thought like you understand. But you have to practice. You have to what exactly mean? Practice. This is something like, I already covered previously. I wanted to build my muscle. Imagine I wanted to build my muscle actually. Then I went to gym. I paid 5,000 rupees actually. How much actually, sir? 5,000 rupees. That guy told come Monday actually. The coach, he told come Monday actually. I went to Monday. Then what I need to do, tell me? I need to take the equipment and I need to do exercise. Just imagine I went to gym. I'm seeing all other guys how they're doing actually. I came to home. I'm sorry for saying, can I build my muscle actually? If you are not doing a practice, if you are just looking at the material, you pay the fee, you are coming to the gym actually, you are looking at how others guys are doing, you are going to the home actually. I'm sorry. Are you with me or not, sir? So please do more. Cheppandi. Practice. What exactly? Practice. I'm sorry. Let's move on, please. This is really important. Yeah. Just previously even I have covered this example. Enter first product price and enter even second product price actually. And we are even printing that one. We know very well here this one is a string and this one is a string. Plus operator joins two string value. It is also called as a concatenation. What exactly, sir? Concatenate. Concatenation actually. Good. I hope you already run this example. Am I right? Good. Let's move on. And even we are maintaining nice numbering. Imagine there is a one program you have a doubt actually. You can tell me the topic name. You tell me the just a program number. Daniel demo 10, Daniel demo 9. That program number also we have designed in such a way actually. Very good. We are taking value at runtime. Two values we are taking. Though it is a string value, we are converting into integer by using integer function. Now the values become like integer. Over that you can apply aggregate operation. What operation? Aggregate operation. What operation? Aggregate. Kind of some math operations you can apply. Math operations you can apply. Yes, see here. Nice man. Now this one is the last snapshot actually. The last snapshot. The point will be these are all list of typecasting functions. The first one is the integer we have seen. Next one is a float. Even string function also it is possible. These are all upcoming function and even we can cover later actually. And if you want later just have to make a small note here. This one just now we done actually. This one we done. The remaining these are all upcoming topic actually. It is possible. From list to tuple, tuple to list possible. List to set, set to tuple, set to list, these are all possible. I have a some integer value. I wanted to convert into string possible by using a function. Function name is a str actually. Team anything is possible. One simple statement, anything is possible. A data type to B data type, B data type to what exactly? A data type. We can dance actually. I mean to say from here to there to here, we can convert actually. Okay. Good, you understand? Online team, you got a clear picture. Can I get a response? Anybody? Online team, please respond. I'm waiting for your response. Very nice, man. As a promise, actually, these are all upcoming topics. Don't worry, I will cover these are all. But meanwhile, can you read these? These are all important, sir. These three important actually, very very important. Can you read this one? List tuple set. One more time. List tuple set actually. Yeah, bull function also would have. What function actually? Bull. For your information, let me tell you. You already know the data type. You already know what exactly? For every data type, backend there is a function. Even just yesterday, what is your name, sir? Yeah, he asked a question. Hey, Daniel, yesterday, I mean, he asked like, sir, you tell me, yesterday you explain about range is a data type. Range is what exactly? Data type. Range function also would you have? With every data type name, there is a function. Chapani, with every data type name, there is what exactly? Function. Let us make a note actually here. These are all data types we covered actually. These are all what exactly? Data types. Data types. Now, what data type we covered, sir? Integer. Team, there is a function. There is what exactly? Function. That function, if it is a function, int parenthesis required. What is required actually? Parenthesis. Float actually. Just now we covered float function. Daniel, str data type, sir, str function. List data type, list function. Respectively like these other functions also. అలా మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Am I right? Nice, very good. Such a good point. This is what we understand. That's it. We're done with the topic. Go back. Now input and output also we done. The next topic is a flow control. Such a beautiful topic, man. The topic name is a flow control. What is the topic name, sir? Flow control. Flow control. Get ready to understand this. John, sir, I'm seeing you are raising hand actually. Any question? You can text. Sir, to perform an addition, can we use int of input? Maybe that's why we have already covered actually. Sayed, sir, we already done that example. Yeah, we can do that. We can do that actually. And there are few students, they're doing one common mistake actually. Let me show you what is that common mistake. Let me show you. First of all, understand the problem, then you will understand the solution. Input of enter value. Now let me just try to print value. First, I will always execute the well-known example. You can feel comfortable. Yeah, we know this example. Then I will explain the point. That is more, relaxed moment for you actually. You know this example, right? What many other students are doing, they are deleting this line. They are just simply calling that function. They're executing this line actually. Now you understand what happened actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా? Sir, in console, if you wanted to see something, just try to give in between double quote actually. If you are not giving anything, we can mislead actually. It is what exactly? Mislead. We cannot understand what is that, why it is blinking actually. Are you with me or not, sir? No, anyway, you already know intentionally. You have written like that. Now, I'm sorry, there is no meaning actually for it. But here it is what exactly? More meaningful. You can even write like this, but not recommended. But what exactly, sir? Not recommend. Did you understand? All right. Let's take this one. Easy, man. Coding is very easy. If you concentrate, instead of sleeping, if you concentrate, actually, it is very easy. This is valid. What exactly, sir? This is valid, but not recommended. But not what exactly? Recommended, actually. Recommended. All right. Let me walk through the material. Maybe I have already changed the status also. We changed the status. Yeah. Now let me add here. Let me add upcoming topic actually. The upcoming topic name is called as a after flow control string, sir. What is the topic name? String. Am I right? Yeah, it should be a string. This one is upcoming session. There is a good question from online team. There is a good question from online team. What is the question, Shivek actually. Let me answer this one. Good. First of all, understand the question. What is the question? Our teammate, he is asking, Daniel, can we enter alphabet actually? No, we should not. Why? Because, here by default, you are telling from front end, we're supposed to get integer value only. Am I right? From front end, we should get what exactly? Integer. Then only this function works. Am I right or not, sir? If you are adding alphabet, you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. Valid question. Let me answer even this one too. A equals to int of, let me enter input actually. And let me enter value. Let me print A and let me run the example. As I told you, let me show you always first the well-known example. Yeah. Let me enter 111. Let me enter what exactly? 111. You are taking value because of this input function. At the same time, we are converting into integer and we are printing the value. Bus. Let me enter value will be something like a hello. And what is the value, sir? Hello. Now, what is the problem here? First of all, this value will become what exactly? Hello. Sir, int function can touch only with integer value. What value actually? But here you are giving alphabet actually, you will get an error. Am I right or not, sir? We cannot represent characters with numbers. We cannot represent characters with what exactly? We can represent, the topic is called as the ASCII code actually. What exactly? Let us keep avoid. I know, we know end to end actually, but that is not important here. Now here, what error you are getting, sir? Value error. What error? Value error, value error. Shivik sir, I hope you got a clear picture. But value error still I can cover later. Who asked this question? Shivik. If I spell out name wrong, please, kindly please accept. Everyone I'm telling. My answer will be no, sir. We'll get an error. This one is a proof actual. That's what every question I would like to prove from example. It is more clarity for anybody actually. For what exactly anybody. All right, it's a right time. We need to maybe we are in another 5 minutes. Let me continue. Can I continue? I can continue. Just 5 minutes. We can. Let's open the material. The topic name is a flow control. Topic name is what exactly? Flow control. It's a big topic. Around 2 sessions required. How many sessions required? 2 sessions required. Get ready. Get ready. You will understand really very nicely actually. Now I would like to explain about. Let us start the topic. The topic name is called as a flow control. What is the topic name? Flow control. First, let me explain about the purpose of this topic actually. Whenever you are going to write a program, inside that program, we are going to write a statements. We are going to write what exactly? Statement. Statement in the sense, print 1, print 2, print 3. These are all also called as a statements. First variable, second variable, third variable, you can print the variable, next again print actually. Right, good. Now, I wanted to know order of statements execution. That sentence is important, sir. Come on. Let us read everyone actually. Chadutarandru. The order of statements execution. One more time. Order of statements execution is called as a flow control. Is called as what exactly? Flow control. Flow control. Daniel, even can you elaborate what do you mean by order actually? What do you mean by what exactly? Order. I will tell you. Step by step, I will tell you actually. First of all, let me explain. What do you mean by? Can I keep the heading flow control actually? Flow control. Daniel, what is a flow control? The order of statements execution. Statements what exactly? Execution is called as a flow control. Is called as what exactly? Flow control. Very nice. Daniel, I have written a program. I have written what exactly? Program. Program means instead of this program, would you have a statements? Chappan, would you have what exactly? Statement. Chappal sir, would you have what exactly? Statements. Imagine first statement, second statement, third statement, fourth statement actually. If you want to even let me tell you a simple diagram. Imagine this one is a KBHP location. This one is Amirpet location. I wanted to travel from KBHP to Amirpet. This one is one order actually. Order of execution, order of traveling, order number 1. This one is one way. This one is another way. Even this one is what exactly? Another way actually. Even prior to KBHP, I used to take a session at Amirpet. I used to take a session at what exactly, sir? Amirpet. Now I stopped actually. Now I'm taking only couple of sessions at KBHP actually. See, how many ways would you have, Chapan? 3 ways. It can be 4 way, 5th way, and I don't know few other ways actually. But let me tell you, whenever you are writing a program, instead of this program, would you have a statements? Sir, there are mainly 3 orders actually. How many orders actually? 3 orders. 3 orders. Let me explain. These are all orders one by one actually. Okay. There are mainly how many orders actually? 3 orders. The first one is called as a sequential execution. What is the first one actually? Sequential execution. All these statements it can execute. Sequential execution. First order is a sequential execution. Second order is called as a conditional execution. Chaptara sir? Conditional execution. One more time. Conditional execution. Chappan sir? Conditional execution. The third one is called as a looping kind of execution. What execution? Looping kind of execution. Looping actually. Sequential, conditional, looping. Practical we'll see. Can I continue? Good. So let's open material. Yeah, Daniel, types of execution. Based on requirement, the program statements can execute in a different ways like a sequentially, conditionally, repeatedly. Come on, read one more time. Sequentially. In any programming language, statements will be executed mainly in 3 ways actually. First one is called as a sequential execution. What is the first one? Sequential execution. Second one, conditional execution. Third one, looping kind of execution. Third one is what exactly? Looping kind of execution. This diagram is really important actually. First one. What do you mean by sequential execution? You know, let me tell you. Statements will be executed one by one. Statements will be executed what exactly, sir? One by one. Here the order will be first statement, it will execute. Second statement, it will execute. Third statement, it will execute. It executes like a one by one. It executes like what exactly? One by one. Sir, did you remember what is the second one actually? Conditional. Cheppandi? Conditional. Okay. Now I would like to give a small reminder actually. Yesterday, we have covered one topic. The topic name is a relational operator. What operator? By using relational operator, we can create a condition. We can create what exactly? Yeah, you know, this conditional means it can execute the program based on condition. Based on what exactly? Condition. Based on condition. Daniel, tell me what do you mean by based on condition? Let me tell you. Imagine today, do you have a session actually? Yes, Daniel. Yes means true. Then go to the session. Go to what exactly? Session. I am repeating again. Here there is a condition. Like a condition means think like a question mark. What exactly, sir? Question. You know, question. What is that question? Do you have a session today actually? Yes. Then go to the session. Next one. Do you have a session actually? No, Daniel. Then go to the playground actually. Then go to the movie. Something like this. Are you with me or not, sir? I mean to say here, the statements are executing based on condition. Chaptara? Statements are executing based on condition. Either first statement or second statement is deciding by condition. Is deciding by whom actually? Condition. Am I right or not, sir? Very good. And the third one is called as a looping kind of execution. What execution? Looping. Did you remember range data type actually? Inside range data type, we have taken a 5 values actually. You know, it will be start with here and inside range value. Do we have a value? Yes, Daniel. Yes. Then print the value, go back to the loop. Do we have a value? Yes, Daniel. 11. Print that value, go to the loop. All values it will be keep on print actually. That is called as a looping kind of execution. What exactly mean? Loop means keep on, it will iterate actually. Keep on, it will be iterate actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Now I wanted to hear from you. What is the first type of execution? Sequential. Second one, conditional. Third one, perfect. You know, maybe all right. I will continue due to the weekend actually. Let me leave the session before a few minutes actually. Next Monday, don't miss the session. I will start directly from flow control actually. I will start directly from what exactly? Flow control. Are you fine? Let me thank you for attending today's session. We done for today's session. Let me upload the material. I request you, don't miss any session. These are all fundamentals actually. Okay. In a classroom, we can chart each other also. Let me show you that option, either that is enabled or disabled for you. Here we can chart each other. Can somebody open Google Classroom and text here hi actually. Open Google Classroom from your mobile. Somebody say hi. Good evening, something like that. First of all, is that option enabled for you? Let me cross verify. Input and output chapter we already done. Now we are entering into the topic. The topic name is called as a flow control. Let me upload the material. Is that option enabled for you? If it is not enabled, I can enable. Go to the Python. Yeah, we are moving on with right direction and the syllabus also good. And I hope you guys are understanding. నిజంగా అర్థమవుతుందండి? No response. Okay, good. All right. Anyone is joining from Bangalore actually? Bangalore, Karnataka. Online team. I'm asking. No one? Okay, last 1 minute. Oh, very good, sir. What is the time frame actually? What is the time now? Almost 4 hours difference, I guess, actually. You're joining from London. So you are studying or working, sir? There was one. No, sir, I'm joining from London. Okay. UK, I guess, actually. Okay. Finish your studies. Good. And I'm sure this course, it will be helpful for you. And even we do have a few students in London, especially UK. I can map those students with you also. You can connect with them. Starting university next year for aerospace engineering. All right. Fine then. Thank you. You know, many guys are joining from different countries. I really appreciate actually. Keep continue the learning, and you know we can connect each other. Is that option is enabled? No, no. Let me enable actually. Let me enable. Thank you. Hold on 1 minute. If you are having any question, you can ask over the chat also. Let me show you. Your batch is 5:30. Why that option is not enabled for you? Hold on. Let me check settings. Stream. Yeah, only teacher. No, no, no. It should be students. Now refresh it actually. I'm sure now you can say hi. Huh? Somebody say just good evening. One person. I may get 30 good evenings, I guess actually. Yeah, I got see. Stream was updated. See, the moment when you texted actually, automatically somebody. Yeah, maybe he's already more active and already sir sent actually. If you want, you also can try. Conclusion of the story, you can use this one to ask a question. And here you can ask something like, you know, hey Daniel, what is Python? What is print statement actually? You can ask a question, but not well known now. You already know that one. And you can ask here and you can post actually, and you will get these all. Okay. Somebody posted actually. Stream was updated. Yeah, show me that. Bhavita ma'am. All right. So Srija ma'am. Good. Shafina ma'am. Very good. I'm sure you got a clear picture. Am I right or not, sir? All right. You can use this chart and you can just try to communicate each other. Frankly speaking, this is really good channel. All right. We're done for today's session. Happy weekend, everyone. Tell me happy weekend, actually. Thank you, sir. Adigi చెప్పించుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. Okay. Sir, tomorrow no session. Sunday means holiday actually. No session. I will share, sir. I will share. It is being getting updating actually. I will share. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. అందులోనే. Yeah, yeah.